It's time for the hard truth. How do? I'm Andy from Tarot Reading Today, and I've been sent this question that I was going to read out for you, and then once I've read it out we'll get down to doing the reading, and as usual I'm going to give you the unsugar-coated, brutal truth of the reading. I says it as I reads it. The question is, hi Andy, I've been offered a promotion to relocate to a new city. My partner of 3 years say they are fine with moving, but their actions say otherwise. They've stopped helping with packing. They've become strangely distant. I'm starting to suspect they're waiting for me to leave so they can end the relationship without confrontation. Should I confront them and risk a blowout right before my move? Or should I keep my head down and see what happens when I've moved? Well, I've done a 3-card reading for this one. Situation, obstacle and advice. The situation card is the Page of Cups reversed. Let's turn him round at first. So as you see, he stood there in front of the sea. So that is a journey. Water, it means a journey. Pages are about new journeys, and cups are about emotions, but it's reversed. So this is telling me that your partner does not want to go on this journey with you. The obstacle card is the 3 of Swords reversed. This is the heartbreak card, the pain card. But it's reversed. So what this is telling you is your partner can't face having an argument with you. They don't want the emotional pain and anguish of having this conversation with you. And this is why they've become distant and checked out. They don't want to go through this. The advice card is the 5 of Wands. Let's take a look at this card. You see all the guys, they're battling away there, aren't they? They're having an argument. And this card is telling you, you've got to have the conversation with your partner. Even though it's going to be tough, it's going to be brutal, you can't leave things as they are. You're the type of person that's got to get it sorted out, and you need to have that conversation with your partner. The bottom line is, your partner doesn't want this move. They don't want you to move. They don't want to move. They don't want a long-term relationship. They also don't want the pain and anguish of discussing it with you. But you're the type of person that has to deal with it and get it out there, even though you know that it means it's the end of your relationship. You have to have this talk, and ultimately your relationship is going to be over. Hope you found this reading interesting. I'd love to hear your comments on it below. If you would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, I'll see you.